everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another advent calendar and it is Korres. I cannot wait to open this. It's a Greek beauty brand and this is the Spread Joy 2023 advent calendar. This is the first Korres advent calendar I've ever opened. I bought it off a website I've never heard of before, so I did a little bit of research and it's fine. The reviews are fine. It's Oh Feliz. I'll pop a link to it down below in my description. They have got other advent calendars on their website as well. And I was really shocked I was able to get it in the UK because I had seen this advertised on different websites but that don't ship to the UK. So yeah, so really excited about that. It contains 25 beauty products from skincare, makeup and accessories. If you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description, as well as all my discount codes and offers to other websites, including any giveaways I've got running. So you're welcome to take a look down there. So yeah, so let's open it up and see what it's like. Oh, it's beautiful. I haven't looked at it at all, so I can't tell you what is in here. Normally I have an idea of one or two products, but as soon as I saw it and I saw that I could get it in the UK, I just got it. So it's a complete surprise for me, so I'm really excited. So starting off with day number 1, which is over here. Wide Awake Eye Gel. This is from the Greek yogurt range and it contains caffeine and it helps to get rid of dark circles and puffiness. Apply each morning and evening, gently rolling under each eye from inner corner to outer, and there's 15 mils here. I've tried the foaming cleanser in the yogurt range and that's really nice. I'm not a huge fan of foaming cleansers, but I do really like that one. Oh, I love it. Look, I love that it's got a roller ball. So you know that's going to be just really nice and cold, be really great. So nice and cooling and cold in the morning. Wide Awake Eye Gel, I love that. Day number 2 underneath. And we've got the foaming cream cleanser that I was just on about from the Greek yogurt range. It contains prebiotics and it's to nourish and cleanse. There's 40 mils there. Does not contain live microorganisms. If you want to learn more about the products individually, then yeah, you'll find information on the Korres website. I'll pop that down there as well. Cleanser. Day number 3 here. We got a face mask, and this is a probiotic superdose face mask. Use it 2 to 3 times a week if you want to, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and there's 20 mils there. And I've received this many times in beauty boxes. Maybe look fantastic. I've just lost the lid underneath the bed, so I'll have to get that afterwards. Yeah. So probiotic superdose face mask. Day number 4. And we've got here from the Greek yogurt range a nourishing probiotic gel cream, replenish and bounce, and microbiome technology. It's 20 mils. So I'm guessing that is a moisturiser. Nourishing probiotic gel cream. Applied to the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. And that's what it says right here. But yeah, nourishing probiotic gel cream. Yeah, that feels lovely. I know. Yeah, there's no smell. Although, does it? No, I was going to say it smells of honey, but it doesn't. It's just maybe yogurt in my brain. I'm thinking, yeah, honey yogurt. But no, it doesn't. Day number 5. Ooh, poreless skin cream. I've seen this before and I've wanted to try it. This is from the Santorini grape range. A poreless skin cream. It contains salicylic acid to smooth and balance. And there's 20 mils there. If you use any Korres products, please let me know what your favourites are. Right, I'm not going to open any more face creams after this. But I just wanted to see what it's like because this has been on my radar. Subtle smell. I know the Santorini grape is lovely. But no, it's very, very subtle smell. But yeah, poreless skin cream. Day number 7. And we have got here an eye mask, black tea, instant firming. Ooh, what is moving there? Something's shaking on the table. A creamy eye mask for instant firming. Apply a rich layer on dry skin under the eyes, leave for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off thoroughly. Use 1 to 2 times weekly or as often as needed. I have never tried an eye mask before. Not a creamy eye mask, not one that you apply and then you wipe off. Under eye gel masks and pads and things I have, but not actually a proper creamy mask. Wow, okay, it contains black tea. So they knew. Day number 8. Oh, cucumber. That's all I saw was cucumber. It's another eye mask. Cucumber eye mask. And for anti-fatigue. Oh, I'm loving these. Cooling, depuffing eye mask that helps reduce fatigue signs in the delicate eye area. And again, apply to your eye. Leave on for 10-15 minutes and use it as often as needed. Oh, I love that. I'm going to have to smell it because I'm obsessed with cucumbers. Smelling cucumbers. No, I can't smell anything and I've just rubbed it into my hand there, but it's just like a clear gel. Again, another product, isn't it, as well as the black tea one to pop in a fridge before using for extra benefits. Day number 9. What is this? It's a conditioner, aloe and dittany. Dittany? For normal hair. Natural origin content, and there's 40 mils here that you can read it. So hopefully we will get a shampoo as well. No. Majority of the products are fragrance free. It's got a hair conditioner. Number 10, we got some makeup. I haven't tried any makeup. This is a Volcanic Minerals mascara, extreme volume, and it's called Drama Volume. Very hard to see with a reflection. A nice big wand there. So hopefully that'll be nice on my lashes. Day number 11. Ooh, what have we got here? Black Volcanic Minerals Long Lasting Eyeliner. In black. Whenever I'm in Greece, I love popping into the pharmacies. And that's where you generally buy all the Korres products. I love having a look. I've got a bit of cream on my hands, so I should have wiped my hand better. It might be more pigmented, but yeah, no, that's fine. Day number 12. Oh, we got the Pure Greek Olive. We got shower gel in Olive Blossom, and there's 40 mils there. It just says creamy foam shower gel. Oh, it smells so nice. It just smells so nice. It's got shower gel. There's nothing that I don't particularly like so far, which is good. Day number 13. Ooh, I didn't realise Pure Greek Olive, it must be it's obviously a big range, but this is a shower gel in Honey Pear, and there's 80 mils here. So a little bit bigger. Yeah, definitely pear, and a sweetness in there. I can't smell the honey, but maybe when I apply it on my body I will. I can definitely smell the pear. Oh, lovely. So nice. It just looks so smart. I really like that. Day number 14 over here. Again, from the Olive range, the Pure Greek Olive. This is a hand and nail treatment cream to plump and smooth. And there's 30 mils there. I don't particularly want my hands to plump. They're already quite plump as it is. But to smooth, that's fine. Does it really say plump and smooth? Yeah. Hand treat. Oh my word. Oh, it smells so good. It doesn't say what's in it. Hand and nail treatment. It's Pure Greek Olive. It's a really lovely smell. Oh, it feels nice as well. A decadently rich, non-oily hand cream enriched with extra virgin olive oil, a natural source of vitamins, and tonin olive leaf extract to deeply moisturise, nourish, and rejuvenate dry, crepey hands. Day number 15 here. Whoa, everything's all falling. Oh, we got a body cleanser. This is Santorini Grape Renewing Body Cleanser to renew and hydrate, and there's 40 mils here. My youngest son and I are off to Greece in a couple of weeks' time. And I'm just thinking, oh, these would be perfect sizes to bring with me. But I think nearly every place that we're staying in, because we're going to Crete and Santorini for a couple of days. Do you know what? How much it costs? £16 a flight from Bristol to Crete. And then it's, well, I was £19, my son was £16. And then we're catching a ferry from Crete to Santorini. And that is what, £13 each? Something like that. So super cheap. And then another flight then back to the UK a few days later. Really cheap. So it's like bargain. But I think we've got like shower gels and things like that in, I think they're in the room. That's something I do look for to save me bringing it, because we're only carrying carry-on bags. I just love the smell. Santorini Grape. Day number 16. Oh, we got one of the body creams. This is pistachio. This is Elasta Smooth Body Butter in pistachio, and there's 50 mils. I remember a couple of years ago, My husband bought me a set. I think there must have been about 12 of these this size from Sephora, but it used to be Feel Unique. I'm sure it was there I got it. There were lots in all different smells. It was just so lovely. I had loads of them. They were all lined up at the side of the bed. So then because I use body lotions mainly when I go to bed at night. I haven't had this one. So obviously this was a good couple of years ago. But this is pistachio. Oh, it just reminds me of pistachio ice cream. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. Oh, my hands are going to feel amazing after this unboxing. I'll rub it in here as well. Go with the other hand cream and stuff. Yeah, just rub it in my nails and my rings. I don't care. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, really nice. Up here, we've got a body smoothing milk. And this is Pomegranate Grove. Hydrate and soften, and it's 40 mils. Right, I'm only going to smell this because my hands are already slippery. Dying to smell it though. Oh, what was it again? It smells mango-y, pomegranate, yeah. Oh my God. They do the most amazing natural smelling products. It's a body smoothing milk there. Day number 18. Woo, go on in, fall down then. And we have got a white tea. What is it? It's a shower gel. Top notes, bergamot, neroli and mandarin. Whoa, I love all of that. And base notes, cedarwood, oak, moss and musk. Oh, heart notes of jasmine, peony, white tea and freesia. So it's a shower gel, 40 mils. You got a better look there. That is so nice. That is so nice. White tea. Oh, so nice. Actually, I might get the full-size version of this. White tea shower gel. Yeah, really lovely. Day number 19 up here. Oh, we got white tea again. What is this? This is a body milk. And it says, white tea, sweet, delicate, fresh, invigorating yet sensual, finely, uncomplicated, yesterday's indulgent for past aristocrats of China, the most precious of tea blends even today. And then it just goes on and on and on and on. There's 40 mils there. Go on, I'm going to have to layer it again. Gonna have to. The smells are probably all intermingling. Oh wow, that is really nice and thick as well. Yeah, I can smell it though. Oh, just put a bit on my nose. Yeah, that is lovely. I've got loads of body lotions and creams and shower gels and oh my gosh. Day number 20 over here is from the Pure Greek Olive range. We've got a body cream in chamomile tea and there's 40 mils here. So very soothing and calming. Brilliant one for going to bed at night. If you like me, you like your body lotions before you go to bed. The reason I put them on before I go to bed is because during the day I like to wear perfume and at night I like to smell of my body creams. I wasn't expecting it to be as strongly scented, but it is. It smells like a perfume. It's not overly but it is really nice. Yeah, that's really lovely. Day 21 down here. And we've got a Nourishing Hair mask with almond and linseed for dry damaged hair, and it's 40 mils. Oh, I like the fact we got a hair mask. We've had a conditioner, yet to see a shampoo. I'm hoping we will see a shampoo. I can just about smell. But yeah. I'm not going to bother on my hands. So lots and lots of products I haven't tried before. Day 22. And we have got here, oh, we got shampoo. This is with aloe and dittany for normal hair. And there's 40 mils there. So we have got a shampoo to go with the conditioner, which I like because I hate having them individually. Don't like it. I like them to be the same brand. Day 23. That took me a while to find that then. It's a headband. It's got lots of fluff coming out of it. It's got Korres on it. Good for washing your face and things like that. But you already know that. So day number 24, the last day of the advent calendar. Feels very light. What have we got? Oh, we got one of these. I'm sure it's a cognac sponge. Anyway, I remember them doing their rounds in beauty boxes years ago, which is why I can't really remember how to pronounce them. It's really weird. It's like a piece of coal. When you wet it, it goes into a nice sponge. and you just hang it up like that.
The pronunciation of this word sounds like konjac.
Konjac, not cognac. It's a konjac sponge. There you go. So those are all the products inside this year's Korres Greek Beauty Advent Calendar. I am really impressed with it. Considering I paid £63.50, there's some really lovely products in there. Amazing products. And the sizes aren't too small either. You know, you haven't got really teeny tiny samples, which I thought it might be. You've got decent little mini travel sizes. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Yeah, I definitely recommend it to people. I do think it's a really lovely Advent Calendar. And it's not too big and bulky either. What's it got on there? Oh, it's just got the patterns. And it tells you more details about the products there. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'd love to hear your thoughts though. What do you think of Korres brand? What do you think of the products in this Advent Calendar? Are you going to get it yourself? Or are you just watching? Because you like watching my Advent Calendars and you've got no intention of buying them, but you just like watching. I'd love to hear. So please comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.